What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So we're unboxing the Galaxy Flip 4 again. You guys know, if you follow my channel, I already unboxed the graphite one. This is going to be the blue one here. So I'll put the specs right here on the display so we don't have to go through all that all over again. But this is the unlocked version 256. I pre-ordered this on Samsung's Unpack Day. And this is the blue one. So I ordered both of them. I didn't know which color I would like. I saw the blue one in Best Buy. Wasn't really feeling that color too much, but I decided to get it because in Best Buy, the lighting in there can always throw your color off a little bit. So this is 256. This has 8 gigabytes of RAM, and all of the other specs will be on the display here. So let's check it out. This also came with a free case as well. And here's the blue one. Woo! Now this looks different than it did in the store. I can tell you that already. So in the packaging, you get the phone. I'm not going to go through all this stuff again. In here, you get your paperwork, SIM ejection tool, and that's pretty much it. This is just to check out the phone. So here it is. Let's get this off. Just a quick unboxing here, guys. And, woo, I like this blue one in person outside of Best Buy. So here it is. Now, my cameras may be making it look a little bit lighter than what it is in person. Pretty close, I guess, but here it is. So kind of a sky blue color and very, very nice looking. So the going around it here, look like it has a blue tint to the outside of it here going around. This is very glossy, just like the other one here, but this looks good, man. In Best Buy, I couldn't really see it as well, but here in person, looks great. There it is. Let's go ahead and fold it up. So here's the hinge on the back. I'm not sure if that has a hint of blue or not. My lights may be blowing it out. So let's get this case off and put these two side by side. Now, I love the device so far. Get the case off. So here they are. See, that's why I didn't want to use that case. It leaves a little residue there. That may come off pretty easy. But here are the two together. This is the blue one and the graphite color right there. So there it is. So this does have like a hint of blue there going around it. So here's the bottom of them right here. And yeah, man, so this is nice. We're going to go ahead and power it up, and then we'll take a look at it. See if we got any power here. There it is. So going to put my information in and come right back, guys. All right, guys, so got my information in. Still looking at these. I'm not sure which one I like the best, which color, but I'll make a decision. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to keep both of them, not unless my wife wants one of them. If not, I'm going to send one back, and I'll choose pretty soon which one I want. But here they are here. So I'm going to go ahead and go around this one, at least go around it. So I don't know if this is stainless steel or whatever it is, but it's real nice. You got a microphone here. On this side, you got your volume up and down, your power / fingerprint sensor. On the bottom, you got speaker, charging port, 2 more microphones. And then on this side, you got your SIM card tray. And I'm assuming that's your 5G antenna. And then on the front, you're going to have your 10 megapixel camera there. And on this side, which is the front, I guess, you got your 2 12 megapixel. One is ultra wide. Then you got your 1.9-inch display here as well. That is customizable. So, yeah, here it is here, guys. That is kind of like a pastel blue or sky blue. That's the hinge. Has Samsung written on it. And they both are nice, man. So I'm definitely not going to keep both of them, but I will keep one, and I'll have to make the decision which one I want. So quick unboxing of the blue Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.